You probably clicked this video because you want your Minecraft to go from this to this. Here's how. I will mainly be covering Windows 11, but most of these methods should work for Windows 10, Mac OS, and Linux. This first method is something known as Lunar Client. This is a launcher for Minecraft that has tons of performance and quality of life mods. These mods can be used for survival worlds, as well as servers such as Hypixel. Just click the link in the description and you'll be brought to this site. Choose your platform right here. I'm personally using Windows. If you don't know how to install it using your platform, just go here. Click one of the tabs, whichever one is your operating system, and watch the video. So once you sign into your Microsoft account, you should be brought to this page here. You can choose your version and add-on by pressing this little arrow here, and then going to the bottom right. This has versions from 1.7 all the way to the newest version. If you're playing on Hypixel, go to 1.8 right here, make sure this is 1.8.9, and make sure you have this Optifine selected right here. If you want to play the newest version, find the biggest number, select, go here, and make sure you have the newest one selected. When choosing the newest versions, click Fabric. I will first be covering 1.8.9, but if you're not planning on using this version, skip to the timestamp on screen or in the description. Select Optifine and launch game. Your first time loading in might take a while, but once you're in, you should be greeted to this screen right here. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to make our way to the Minecraft settings icon down here. And then we're going to click video. Copy all of the settings I have here. For smooth lighting, you can either have this on minimum or off. They don't really make a difference in performance. Then make your way to the performance tab and copy everything I have going on here. If you have a graphics card, make sure this setting is turned on. But if you're unsure or don't have one, make sure it's off. Click done and make your way to the quality tab. Copy all the settings I have here and click done. Now make your way to the details tab and copy all the settings that I have here. Now log into the Minecraft world or server of your choice. Now to access your Lunar Client mod menu, hit right shift on your keyboard. You'll be greeted to this screen right here. This might look confusing at first, but it's actually really simple. So there's widgets scattered along your screen, and you can move them around or press the X to disable them. Click mods and you can see that there are tons of mods here, but we're going to focus on one right now. Go to the search here, type in lighting. Make sure it's enabled, go to options, and turn on full bright. Click the settings tab up top and go to performance. Make sure use particle physics and entity shadows are off, and make sure these two are on low. I'd also recommend that you go right over here and have lazy chunk loading on low, but if you're faster than your chunks can load, you can go ahead and turn this off. Now if you want, you can go to this mods tab and scroll through and look for any mods that you want. When you're done, just click this X and hit escape. And those are all the settings for 1.8.9. For the newest version, select it and make sure Fabric right here is selected and launch game. So once you load in, you're greeted to this screen right here. Go to the bottom, click Minecraft settings, and go to video settings. For render distance, have this set between 6 and 10 chunks, but if you can't handle that, you can go down to 4. Max shadow distance, make sure this is disabled. Simulation distance, 5 chunks. You'll probably want to enable full screen. I just have it disabled right now due to recording reasons. Make sure VSync is off and max frame rate is unlimited or set at 60. Click apply and make your way to the quality tab. Copy all of my settings here. Make your way to the performance tab and copy all the settings I have here. Once you've done that, click apply and click done. And that should be it for this version. For this next tip, I think you can only do this on Windows. Click this Windows icon in the bottom and search Edit Power Plan. Click this one right here. Once this loads up, click Power Options, and you should be brought here. When you're on this window right here, click this drop down arrow to show additional plans, and you should be greeted to 2 different options right here. High Performance and Power Saver. I doubt you have Ultimate Performance considering you're watching this video, but if you do have it, make sure to select this one. If you don't, select High Performance. If for some reason High Performance doesn't show up, click Create a Power Plan and select High Performance here. Then click Next, Create, and select it. Once you're done with that, you can close this window. Next up, you're going to want to click the bar on the bottom of your screen and go to Task Manager. Once you're in this window, click the 3 lines here and you'll see all these different tabs. Make your way to the Performance tab and look down here. If you see both GPU 0 and GPU 1, this next tip will greatly improve your performance. From here, launch Lunar Client to the main menu. Once you have it loaded up like this, it's important not to close it. If you're not able to escape the screen, hold Alt and press Tab, and then select a window. Make your way to the Processes tab and search up Lunar. You're going to want to click this drop down arrow here, and you're going to want to look at this right here. Right click it and open file location. Make sure you have the javaw.exe selected. Go to the top of this bar Make sure everything here is highlighted and hold Control and press C. Now you're going to want to open your settings app and at the top search display. Click on display settings and you'll be brought to this page here. Scroll down until you see graphics right here. Click it. Now you're going to want to click add desktop app. You're going to want to click this bar up top and hit Control and press V. Hit enter. Now you're going to want to look for javaw.exe. Click it and click add. Now you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you see it right here. Click on it. GPU preference, set it to high performance. Once you've done that, you're free to close settings. This tip right here can make Minecraft stutter way less. Go to the bottom of your screen, right click and click Task Manager. Go to performance, click on memory, and look at this number right here. Remember this number. Open Lunar Client and go to the settings right down here. Right here, you'll see something called allocated memory. This slider changes how much memory is allocated to Minecraft. If your number before was 16, set it to 7. If it was 8, set it to 4. And if it was 32, set it between 8 and 10, but I wouldn't recommend going above because it can cause stutters. Once you're done with that, close it up and you can launch Minecraft. And that's it for the tutorial. If you enjoyed watching, please make sure to leave a like and maybe even subscribe. If you have any questions or ideas for a future video, please make sure to comment them down. I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can.